Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop up these notifications or pop-up ads while using Google Chrome. Now, if you are using Google Chrome and most of the times such notifications do pop-ups like this, as you can see them on your screen, or ads that are from websites which you allow them. Now, let's see how to enable or disable these. Now, open your Chrome browser. Whilst you open your Chrome browser, now we are in our Chrome browser. Just go to your settings, and by going to the settings, just click on these three dots and come down to settings. Click on settings. On settings, you go to privacy and security. Click on that, and as we have the privacy and security, just go to site settings. Click on this. Under the site settings, now we have notifications here, so just click on that to open our notifications. And as you can see, these are our notifications. Notifications are turned on, and as you can see here, this is the caption here. Site automatically follow these settings when you visit them. So anytime you visit any website, or even though you are not visiting them, but still, because the notification is enabled, it does give you those pop-up notifications. Now, what you are going to do is that once you don't need those notifications, you just click on here, and then they will be totally disabled. Another way is that once you need them, you just leave it on. But in this case, we don't need them because already my own is on. And in my case, I don't need the notifications to be on. So I just click on it. Don't allow site to send notification. So just click on that. Right. So now if you scroll down, you can see that we have customized behaviors. And then these ones are just going to a specific site. Now you can see that first we have not allowed to send notifications. Let's say that I have a channel, a YouTube channel, or a website which I don't want to allow these notifications. So let's assume that, let's come to here and search YouTube. Right, so YouTube here. Right, so I copy the URL of that website, of that particular website, not necessarily YouTube. Now I come to here, and as you can see, not allowed. So I just click on add and then paste in the URL and then click on add. Right, so you can see automatically it moved the URL from here, allow notification, to here. Right, now likewise it's the same way here, which if you want to allow that same website or different websites, if you want to allow the notifications, let's say google.com. right, let's say Google Meet, as we have Google Meet here. So just copy the URL and then go back to the settings once again. So click on add and then paste the URL here and then click on add. Now you can see that this website, within any new things or notifications that are within that website, definitely they are going to pop up. Now, that is just how to customize your pop-up notifications. Now, let's go back. On the top of notifications, just go back and then scroll down, and we have this one, pop-up and redirect. So this pop-up and redirect, once you click on it, now you can see that we have here. In my end, it is enabled. So meaning I'll still be having those pop-ups notifications and from websites that I want or I don't like. So in order just for you to disable, just click on this and every notifications that is popping up will be disabled. Likewise, the same way, these are the customized ones. You can just click on not here, not allowed to pop-ups, and then allow to pop-ups. So any website that you want, you can just click to add and then add the URL, and then add. Now you can see that it's added. Likewise, the same way, if you like that same website, you click on it and then you add. That is just how easy and simple it is to block these notification pop-up ads from websites that you don't like. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next one. Peace out.